Ladies and gentlemen, you have Willie Super Seward, and of course my close friends call me Soup. I have some more information for you, and I wanted you to get it right now because you may have noticed a lot of posts on social media about a $10 deal that's going on that's gonna help people correct their credit and just so many other benefits to this. But I wanted to make sure that I gave you some info here. I'm not going to read everything. I know you guys can read, and you can stop and pause this recording if you want to. But I'm going to tell you this is going to be some phenomenal stuff that we'll share with you here today. Okay, the company has been around for over 16 years, so we've got some stability here, longevity that's happening with this company. The company has a lot of success. They have personal financial success that's going on, and they have many areas that they're doing that in also. As you can see, they're going to be talking about financial success system that have you making more money through the financial strategies and make more money via business building is going to happen. So you're going to be excited when you see some of these strategies. Okay, check some of these out then. You've got instant cash flow increase. Now this is a strategy that we should all be using. I mean, it deals with your W-4s, and you know that the IRS says that we really are taking way too much money out and leaving that money on the table. We're going to be able to have, number two, minimizing the tax via business deductions. And who doesn't want more deductions like the big corporations and other businesses get? Number three, debt elimination strategies. Number four, credit repair and rebuilding education. That is huge right there. Building that credit back up. You can get your credit up to like 850. So I know you may want to get some folks and look at this too, because we all need some help in that area. And then number five, invest like the pros. It's a special training. There's other high demand products and services. As you can see here, you've got the travel. We've got a My Credit system. That's where you're going to get a ton of videos that are going to just teach you all the steps you need to know as far as disputing and do-it-yourself credit repair. And then there's going to be other things too. I said it's a lot of bang for the buck here. Products and identity theft, roadside service, all of these different times, and much, much more they're going to be offering. Okay, I've been asked over and over, what are we getting for this $10, and what happens after you get a whole month for just $10? In this month, you're going to be able to have more money-making, business-building ideas. You're going to be able to have memberships, products and services, success stories, and testimonies. This is how simple it is we're doing. Our organization just started this not too long ago, and we've got over 300 people in just a couple of days that have joined. So you could join this too, because they have automated technology and tools, and you're going to be able to turn your tablet, computer, smartphone into a money generating machine. Did I mention that there's a referral program also? I mean, this is a world-class compensation plan. Just look at this shortly here. You've got income potential, if your team does 5, you're up to $380 a month. Yearly sales $250. So your monthly residual would be $3,400. Now, what if your team did 20 a month? You're at a weekly of $1,520, a yearly of 1,000 sales. So that means you're making like $15,000 of monthly residual. Now, of course, the $10 promotion, if you can get in on that in the next few days, you will be able to have tremendous opportunity to get a lot of other people to join with you, and therefore you're going to make a lot of money, as you just saw. So also you'll be able to do the income shifting benefit or the elite membership. Now, of course, what would happen is those $10 memberships, you'll get that for a full month. But however, after that month, it's going to be $39.95. And then that elite that has virtually everything is $99.95 for the startup on that. So you're talking monthlies of $39.95 and $54.95. So I wanted to make sure I shared this information with you. Now you have it. This is what happens now. This is what happens in the near future. In other words, you get your $10 program, get in there and get that and share it with a bunch of people. You're going to have yourself a nice income plus all of these products and services. So that's all I have for you right now. Soup is done.